Why are filmmakers like Vishal Bhardwaj, Hansal Mehta, Guneet Monga are calling the abolishment of FCAT as a sad day for cinema? ये जानने के लिए वीडियो को पूरा देखना, उससे पहले ये जान लो कि मैं कौन हूँ। Hi, my name is Akash Nagi. I'm an actor, writer, engineer, a content creator, a fitness enthusiast, and I welcome you all to this channel. Vishal Bhardwaj, who has directed films like Maqbool, Omkara, Kameene, Hansal Mehta, who has bagged many awards for his web series Scam 1992, and Guneet Monga, who has produced films like The Lunchbox. Why are they calling the abolishment of FCAT, Film Certification Appellate Tribunal, as a sad day for cinema? What is FCAT? FCAT stands for Film Certification Appellate Tribunal. It is a legal body which was constituted in 1983 under the Section 5D of Cinematographer Act of 1952. It is that body where filmmakers can appeal if they are not satisfied with the certificates given to their film by CBFC. To understand the full functioning of FCAT, Film Certification Appellate Tribunal, we must understand the working of CBFC, which is Central Board of Film Certification, or Censor Board. It is that legal body which certifies films, TV series, digital ads, and everything which is to be publicly displayed in cinema halls, TV, OTT platforms as well. Censor Board certifies films as U, UA, S, and A. But what if Censor Board refuses to certify a film? Or filmmaker is not satisfied with the certificate given to their film? Well, then the filmmaker can appeal to FCAT. FCAT has helped the release of many films, from Bandit Queen to Haramkhor, Urta Punjab, Lipstick Under My Burkha, Kala Gandhi, Messenger of God, Bandookbaz Babu Moshai, and many more films. After the abolishment of Film Certification Appellate Tribunal, now what option do filmmakers have? Now filmmakers will have to appeal to the High Court. Yes, you heard me right, the High Court, where the judges with least or no technical or creative knowledge behind the art of filmmaking are going to judge a film and help the release of that film. The time, the energy, which can be used to give verdict to crores of pending cases in India, is now going to be used to watch movies and help the release of those movies. Why is this all happening? FCAT was formed by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. This ministry has released new IT guidelines for social media platforms, OTT platforms, and digital media news publishers recently. And companies like WhatsApp has filed a case against Indian government because of these guidelines. I have already made a video on this topic. If you have not watched it, then do watch it. In February of 2021, government has released a bill to abolish those tribunals where the public at large gathering is not involved. The Tribunals Reforms Bill 2021. Rationalization and Conditions of Service. This bill abolishes those tribunals where the public at large gathering is not involved. Tribunal based on the Cinematographer Act is not only tribunal which has been abolished. This list includes the Trademark Act of 1999, the Copyright Act of 1957, the Customs Act of 1962, the Patent Act of 1970, and the list goes on. This is bad science, bad economics for every filmmaker who wants to produce content for today's audience. As an audience, going to cinema hall, buying a ticket and watching a movie has already become a game of life and death. With the rising cases of COVID-19, it is indeed a sad news. Stay safe, stay home, and get yourself vaccinated. Like this video, share this video, subscribe the channel, and tell me in the comment section what are your views regarding the abolishment of FCAT.